Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of multi-digit subtraction with regrouping. So whenever we're working with subtraction, we subtract whenever the bottom digit is bigger than the top digit. So in this problem, 5,483 minus 1,299. Before I subtract everything, I'm looking at each of the digits, and I see that I'm going to need to regroup in the ones and tens place. You can't start out with 3 and take away 9. You can't start out with 8 and take away 9 because 9 is bigger. So we have to regroup. So I am going to take a 10 from the hundreds place. I'm going to add that to the tens place. The 8's going to become an 18. The 4 is going to become a 3. Then I have to go to the ones place. I'm going to take a 10 from the tens place, so the 3 is going to become a 13. And the 18 is going to be subtracted. Take away 1, it's going to be a 17. So it's add 10, take away 1. Back in the 90s, we used to call this borrowing, but it's not really borrowing because we don't give it back. So now, looking at all the digits, 13 is bigger than 9, 17 is bigger than 9, 3 is bigger than 2, 5 is bigger than 1. All the top digits are bigger. So now we can subtract. Huge shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. So now we're going to the ones place. 13 minus 9 equals 4. 17 minus 9 equals 8. 3 minus 2 equals 1. And 5 minus 1 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 5,483 minus 1,299 equals 4,184. Alright, now I'm going to rock out with another example. So the second example is actually going to require even more regrouping. 2 is bigger than 0, 9 is bigger than 0, 5 is bigger than 0, so we're going to need to regroup in the ones, tens, and hundreds place. So we're going to start in the thousands place because that is the one area where regrouping is not needed. We're going to take away 1 from the thousands place. It's going to become a 7, then we're going to add 10 to the hundreds place. 0 becomes a 10. Then going into the tens place. 0 becomes a 10, the 10 becomes a 9. Then in the ones place, again the 0 becomes a 10, and the 10 in the tens place becomes a 9. It's always add 10, take away 1, that's the pattern. So now, all the top digits are bigger. 10 is bigger than 5. In the tens place the digits are equal, but equal is okay. As long as the digits on top are equal, greater than or equal to the digits on the bottom, we are okay. 9 is bigger than 2. 7 is bigger than 3, so we are ready to be regrouped. It's okay if the digit on the top and bottom is the same. The only situation where regrouping is needed is if the bottom digit is bigger. So we're ready to subtract. We've regrouped everything. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 9 equals 0. 9 minus 2 equals 7. And 7 minus 3 equals 4. So we have our final answer, 8,000 minus 3,295 equals 4,705. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. All right. Since the viewers enjoyed, I'm going to do one more example. Shout out to everybody tuning in. $6,150 minus 2,391. So here, again, the digits on the bottom are bigger in the hundreds, tens, and ones place. You cannot start out with 1 and take away 3. You can't start out with 5 and take away 9. You cannot start out with 0 and take away 1. So we do need to regroup. So we're going to start in the thousands place here. The 6 is going to become a 5. The 1 is going to become an 11. It is that same pattern of you take away 1 and you add 10. So now in the tens place, the 5 will become a 15. And the 11 is going to become a 10. Now in the ones place, the 0 is going to become a 10. And the 15, we're going to take away 1, it's going to be a 14. Add 10, take away 1, that's the pattern. So now, all the top digits are bigger. 10 is bigger than 1, 14 is bigger than 9, 10 is bigger than 3, 5 is bigger than 2. We are ready to subtract. So we're starting in the ones place now. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 7 minus 3 equals 7. And 5 minus 2 equals 3. So we have our final answer, 6,150 minus 2,391 equals 3,759. Alright, that is my video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.